So ladies and gentlemen, welcome to something surprise. A surprise. Where are you? Ni mbili tu ndio hiyo. Mose, mbili tu. Na ingine? Eh? Oh, kwani kuna mayai ngapi? Eh. Na watoto walikuwa ngapi? Eh. Eh. Sasa utapeleka huko juu? So the wall is tough here. It is a defending. Two geese. The effort to take care of them. Very tough. It can't allow me closer. Male defending. Hope for the best. The newborn in the street. Very tough. The geese protect. Don't want to beat me for being an intruder. The ducklings have to. Good morning from Kenya. This is the morning. This is the last born of the house. This was born on 11th September 2025, sorry, and it is the youngest in the block. And immediately above, ladies and gentlemen, we are blessed. We have had so many young borns. This is one, the youngest. 1, 2, 3 for the twins. 2, 3, and this one is stuck. We want to let it. Dangerous place. Can it untangle or I assist? So this is a very dangerous spot I've just witnessed. I will assist it so that this place can be closed. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ladies and gentlemen, those are the sheep. Sheep has no S. Sheep is a sheep. Sheep in plural. Sheep in singular form. So this is the youngest of the block. This is September 2025. And when we look at this one, the tail is being cut off. There is a bladder put to cut the tails. And those are the twins. The twins, now the tails have been cut off. Apparently, a sheep without a tail is so important. This is the only big ram in the house. It has some worms, so need to be deworming. It needs now deworming. You can see it has worms, so deworming is needed. This is worms. So within this family, the tail has been removed. and you call them tailless sheep fetch a lot of money. Tailless sheep fetch a lot of money. And so, ladies and gentlemen, these are the sheep update, sheep farming update. All of them now don't have any ram, and the females are, I can count for you, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Those are 8 females. Out of the 8 females, they have all given birth, apart from one which is still small. And I now want to introduce a very good ram to the family, so that all these 8 females can get a very good ram. So this is the update from the sheep farm. This is their place of resting. As you can see, if I step here, they will all move. Have not yet known how many males are they, but that is a male, and they are here. So this is one of the other males. So the one with the worms, tapeworms, I believe those are tapeworms. Tapeworms. So need some deworming. It's a female, the second biggest. This is the only ram that is now big in the compound. And the youngest of all is also a ram, so that one will go to the market very soon. The update from the sheep farm is here. This is a tailless ram, and they fetch a lot of money. This is the one with twins, one white, and this is the youngest born. This was born just yesterday. Yesterday for me is 11th September. Today is of 12th September 2025. And we are also blessed. We have geese in the family. And this is the tapeworm that I was telling you. It's a common disease. So this is not a tapeworm that has come outside. Sorry, come out from the sheep. And there is a number of males, so I know the next few months I will have something to sell. Oh, this will seem to have a lot of tapeworm, sorry. So need some good deworming. And the youngest is urinating. The youngest is urinating, and the same urinating is good, beautiful. To feel relaxed, to get off the dirt from the body. The youngest is urinating, and it has felt so good. You can imagine the feeling of the sheep while the young man is. Apparently, I am noting in this one. I want to confirm if this is the tapeworms now. Tapeworms. Discomfort, but that's the tapeworm. So deworming is needed in the sheep. You can be able to see this is a tapeworm. So rubbers deworm. Actually, I need to deworm all of them because none of them is expectant or pregnant. So I will have to deworm all of them, so that the dewormers, the tapeworms, can go off. These are the tapeworms. These are the tapeworms. You can see. And discomfort with the worm. Don't know if I can touch that. I show you the tapeworms.